you feel a heaviness in your home? Is there an invisible weight on your shoulders? Are you constantly tired, tense, or anxious? Perhaps you are under the influence of a dark influence you aren't even aware of. What if I told you there was an ancient ritual that could cleanse this negative energy, these unwanted bonds, in just a few minutes? Today we will explore, step by step, a powerful purification technique known as the Smoke of Unbinding. This isn't just clearing a room, it's a spiritual reset. What we need for this powerful cleansing has been used by healers for thousands of years. You only need two simple ingredients. 1. A bundle of dried rosemary or sage. These herbs have the power to neutralize negative frequencies. 2. A fireproof bowl to collect the ashes. If you are ready, let's begin. Step 1. Fire and intention. Light your herb bundle and allow the flame to go out, letting the smoke begin to smolder. Now, starting in one corner of your room, begin to walk slowly in a clockwise direction. Allow the smoke to touch every corner, every wall of the room. Step 2. The ancient words. As you walk clockwise, use the power of your voice. Repeat these words clearly and loudly. Air rise, smoke cleanse, all shadow leave. These words declare your intention to the universe. Step 3. Removal and sealing. After cleansing the entire space, extinguish the herbs in your bowl. Now, the most important part. These ashes hold the negative energy you have collected. You must remove them from your home immediately. Either bury the ashes outside in the earth or release them into running water. As you release the ashes, seal the ritual with these final words. Say this: you came, you're gone. I breathe free. This is the declaration that the bond is broken, and you are free. So, why is this simple ritual so incredibly powerful? The secret lies in the fundamentals of energy. Smoke acts like a physical cleanser. It breaks and shatters invisible negative and stagnant energetic patterns. The sacred herbs, rosemary and sage, capture and neutralize this broken, stagnant frequency. And the clockwise movement. This is a universal act of resetting. It recalibrates the space's vibration, returning it to a positive and pure starting point. Now you know the ancient technique of the Smoke of Unbinding. You can use this power whenever you wish to cleanse your home, your body, and your spirit from unwanted influences. Clear your space, raise your energy, and breathe free. Will you try this ritual? Or are there other cleansing techniques you know? Share your experiences and thoughts with us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more ancient knowledge, hidden rituals, and metaphysical secrets. Stay in the light.